What's good, everybody? J Ill here, bringing you a wash and go tutorial using the Cantu Men's Collection Holiday Kit. Let's open up the box and see what we have here. Alright. Little 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, body wash. First thing you want to do is wash your hair real good. Make sure you get all that dandruff, you feel me, all that dead skin. After you do that, we're going to go ahead and part our hair, make it easier to apply the leave-in conditioner. Clearly, I'm not the best at this part. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit, but bear with me, we're going to get through it. Was that a sneeze, bro? We have some intense moisture leave-in conditioner here, you feel me? That intense moisture. You don't want no dry hair in 2020. You get a good, healthy amount of that. Brush might be a little easier. I don't know why I'm using my fingers right now. There you go. You might want to pull out the brush just to make sure you get every little strand there, you feel me? Looking real good, Nice and moisturized. Next thing we want to do is twist up our hair. Now I parted my hair 6 different ways, 3 on each side, just to get it ready to let it sit under the little foil cap I'm about to pull out. I'm gonna leave my cap on for about 2 hours, but the longer you leave it on, the better the result.
2 hours later.
Now once you come back, you want to go ahead and remove that little reflective cap. Your hair should be nice and moisturized. We're gonna go ahead and grab the cream pomade. Good, healthy amount of that as well. We're gonna do the same thing we did with the leave-in conditioner, just apply it all throughout our hair. Yeah. Go ahead and slap that on there like that. Looking real good, alright. Alright, I think we almost done. We just about finished here. A little quick wash and go. What just popped up? A little beard oil. I got a little dirt on my chin. Let me see what I can do with this. Ooh, this joint smell good. Oh, go ahead and sprinkle this on here. Yes, sir. I need to slap it on my mustache a little bit, you know. Smell too good. I got a little something down there to apply the beard oil to, a little something. Y'all see it. I see my beard. Don't play with me. Appreciate y'all for tapping in with me. Be sure to swipe up so you can buy the product to recreate this look yourself. Let's get right for New Year's. No dry hair 2020. You feel me? And I want to give a special shout out to Cantu Beauty. Happy holidays, y'all.